Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a paper glider. First, take a standard sheet of paper, like in a 4 or 8.5 by 11-inch sheet. Fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold it to create a clear center crease. Next, fold the top 2 corners inward so their edges align perfectly with that center crease. This initial step forms the nose of your glider, setting the foundation for its flight. Now, let's continue shaping the glider's nose and wings. Take the top edge you just created and fold it down, aligning it with the bottom edge of the previously folded corners. Then, fold the top corners inward once more, making sure they meet the center crease. Press firmly on all your folds to ensure they are sharp and symmetrical. This precision is key for a stable and long-flying paper glider. All right, it's time to form the main wings of your glider. Carefully fold the entire paper glider in half along that original center crease you made at the very beginning. Next, take one side and fold down the wing, ensuring its edge aligns perfectly with the bottom of the glider's body. Repeat this exact fold on the other side, making sure both wings are symmetrical. This creates the lift needed for flight. For the final touches, make small upward folds on the trailing edges of your wings. These tiny winglets, about 1/4 inch high, help stabilize the glider during flight. Double-check for symmetry and make any minor adjustments to ensure everything is perfectly aligned. Now, hold your glider gently near its center of gravity, usually about 1/3 of the way back from the nose, and launch it forward with a smooth, gentle toss. Enjoy watching it soar.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.